gotta put on your apron, man.
Yeah.
Put on step 2. Put on an apron.
Step 3. Don't forget your drink.
Cheers.
See, this is what happened to the coffee when it's actually pressurized. Super smooth. With a little bit of wind, makes sure that it's uniform like a Bob Ross painting.
Hello, my name is Terry, and this is Terry Cooks. Today I have Mato. What are we gonna be cooking?
Tiramisu.
Italian tiramisu, and these are the ingredients.
Mascarpone cheese, coffee, and the mocha. Savoiardi bonomi, a little bit of sugar, eggs,
and Milo. Mato, what are we gonna do? What's the first step?
First step, wash your hands.
How many eggs are we putting in?
We are putting 7 eggs.
Recipes. Is this your recipe or is this your mom's?
It's my grandmother recipe. And it's interesting because actually where I'm coming from is where tiramisu was invented. There have been a big dispute between our city of Udine and Treviso, that is next to Venice, who actually invented the tiramisu. So this is the original recipe, and I'm pretty sure that everybody has their own variation, slightly different, slightly close. But at the end of the day, tiramisu, it's always just like a wonderful dessert that makes people love their life. As simple as that. Now we are just like we are doing the most important thing to make them levitate. We are putting air into the wine to make sure that it's fluffy and sustained and airy. And give it that kind of like softness that you have in the tiramisu. It's all due to this step. The trick for this one is really important. Never go on the other direction when you started to twist it. If you go the other direction, it's like twisting and not twisting a screw. So if you don't screw correctly, your eggs are screwed. So it's really important.
So how do you know if this is ready?
You're moving that? Still not ready. See, it's bouncy. Not good. Still not ready.
So you need to put it. You need to put it on top of your head.
Needs to stay perfectly without you touching anything. It needs to stay attached to the floor. The next step is fairly straightforward. After the white, we go to the yellow. As simple as that. We try to break down the composition to make it as soft for this one as well. The next step is to put 10 full spoon of sugar, because 1 teaspoon of sugar is not cool enough. Sorry. It depends on you. If you want to go with 8, yes, it's okay. If you go with 12, it's okay. But at the end of the day, why would you change the real original recipe that makes perfect sense? It's perfectly balanced. It take away that little bit of fresh taste of eggs that somehow needs to be covered. There are 2 ways, coffee and sugar. And we're going to use both, but you know, make it balanced. Next step is we said that before, is the king of the cream cheese, is mascarpone. It's so soft, it's so creamy. It makes you want to sleep on it. It's better than a pillow.
How much mascarpone is in there?
500 grams, half kilo.
We're preparing the coffee in the percolator. What do you call a
Mocha.
Mocha.
The mocha. Basically, Italians, they're really ingenious people. They figure out that if you boil the part at the bottom, and this is kind of like pressurized, the overall water will come really quickly toward the top, passing through the coffee that is here in between. And that's pretty cool.
Okay, so we got the mascarpone inside, the sugar and the egg yolks. Egg whites are still there, and we need more drinks. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. This is really important.
Yeah.
Don't use anything like this. Once that you set up this one and this one, if you use iron, there is a high chance they will kind of like go down much faster. So this is the moment when we united the soft thing and the other soft thing.
The other soft thing is in Spanish.
No, that's
Are we gonna?
really important from below upward. The least touches you do to mix it, the better will be later. So once that is done, see, perfect. This, now we leave it there. Now we wait for the coffee.
What do we need the plastic containers for? Oh, and this is Li Hua, our other co-host here. She's just gonna be in the background helping out with the production, and also she's an amazing artist. So do check out her exhibition next week. It's called, what is it called, Li Hua?
Strokes of Fashion.
Strokes of Fashion, but I think by the time this video comes out, it's gonna be finished already. So, but anyway, check Li Hua out. I'll put her link in the description. I'll show you her painting. It's right here. Beautiful looking painting here. This one cost, I think, ring it.
No price.
No price.
You cannot put a price on the emotion. In the morning, when you are kind of like stressed and you don't understand who you are, what you're doing, you put on the espresso, kind of like, yeah. Then you can do 3 in a row, right? It's very cool. You know? Then we take the overall Bialetti and. Finito, fatto.
Right.
Adesso in frigo.
Put this in containers. Now, do we need to put this in plastic containers or put them in glass bowls? Would be better.
It's actually better in glass, but you know, tiramisu is for the souls, so you want to share them, and you cannot always share glasses. That you want to share plastic.
So how long do you have to put the tiramisu in the fridge?
2 to 3 hours, depending how hungry are you.
And we are back.
Yes, after 2 hours of the tiramisu in the fridge, we are ready for
The Milo Dinosaur.
Milo. Taking your Milo, open it, as simple as that. Take a strainer and proceed with the mild and grace. Smooth, super smooth, with a little bit of wind. Make sure that it's uniform, like a Bob Ross painting. Or Michelangelo, if you are more into Italian art.
Oh wow, that's very pretty.
Sugary. That's smooth.
What are we doing now, Mato?
We are plating because it's time to eat. Here we are, ready to go.
Finally.
No, but you take the big one, right?
I'll take the big one.
The overall tiramisu is ready. I take the small one. Amaretto.
Tiramisu alla italiana. Udine.
Da Udine, l'originale. Is wonderful.
Oh fuck yeah.
Are you feeling like on the heels of Friuli?
I can taste Friuli all over the place.
All over the place. My grandma, they were called Alba and Nara.
Alba and Nara.
Alba means dawn, and Nara means, yeah, I'm not sure. But she was really fun.
Cheers to Alba and Nara.
Cheers.